It's broken. Oh, it's a boy. Alright. X-slide.
It's a girl.
Over easy. Yeah, it's a girl. It's a boy again.
Yeah.
If the yolk is not broken, it's a boy.
It's a boy.
Ah, okay.
Over easy. More egg, more cholesterol. Okay. Oh. And now I will make a pizza from Domino's Pizza.
Oh.
Just a plain pizza. Alright. Alright. Thank you for my first night. Alright. And next I will make a Japanese burrito.
Japanese burrito.
Yeah, egg roll. Okay. And please welcome my friend on board. And her name is Anna. Wake up, Anna.
Wake up.
I like that move it. I like that move it. I like that move it. Hello. This is me you're looking for. I believe I can fly. Woo. I believe I can do some wine. Yum, 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 yum. Who let the dog out? Who. And bye-bye, Anna.
Bye-bye.
Okay, everyone. Before we continue cooking, let's play a quick game, huh?
Okay.
We call this one the Japanese basketball.
Japanese basketball.
Okay.